And the altar only can be of important if the high priest is the one presiding over that altar. Altars are presided over by the high priest. Not every ordinary folk can be able to have a strong altar. And every strong altar is presided over by a high priest who has a prophetic office. Without a prophetic office, you cannot be able to change situation. That's why you see in the Bible, there are some people in the Bible who are not able to change situations. They were able to prophesy, but they were not able to change situation. A person like Joshua was able to prophesy and change the situation. A person like Moses was able to prophesy and change the situation. What are you holding in your hand? I'm holding a staff. Then hit the water, and the water will split. No prayers. What are you holding? I'm holding a staff. Then drop it down. It turns out to be a snake. And no prayers, just that, because him is an institution. Him is a prophet, not a prophet. He is somebody that is carrying a prophetic mandate, a prophetic office. You can prophesy, but you don't have a prophetic mandate. You can prophesy, but you don't have a prophetic office. And not necessarily, there are many people, 90% of the people with mandate offices, they don't prophesy. They do. They do just by stepping their legs on the land that is supposed to be worked on, things will just change. Just they don't pray. They don't do anything. Solomon never prayed. He slaughtered 1,000 and went to sleep. Then God appeared to him. Jacob the same. You look at those people, they are unique in their own capacity. They are the people described in the book of Jeremiah 1 verse 4. Before you were born, I knew you. I had set you apart to become a prophet unto the nation. I cleansed you. I ordained you. I sanctified you so that you become a prophet unto the nation.